Welcome to the Innovation Protection Guide. Today we're exploring a critical tool that every California inventor needs to know about. In California, inventors create 4 new innovations every single day. But recently, a Beverly Hills surgeon lost potentially millions in revenue due to one crucial mistake in protecting her medical device. Today, I'll show you how to avoid this costly error and protect your innovations effectively. California stands as the world's innovation powerhouse. Consider this. The University of California secured 546 patents in 2023, more than any university worldwide. But innovation isn't limited to large institutions. Individual inventors and small businesses are driving remarkable advances across this state. Take the Aqualex patch developed at UC San Diego, a groundbreaking device that revolutionizes diabetes care through painless blood sugar monitoring. This exemplifies the innovation happening right here in California every day. However, without proper protection, even breakthrough innovations can slip through inventors' fingers. Let me introduce you to an affordable tool that can prevent this from happening to you. It's called a provisional patent application. Think of it as a reservation system for your invention. By filing this application, you secure your place at the patent office for 12 months. The urgency of this protection became clear in the recent case of Dr. Shirin. When she shared her innovative hernia treatment device with a major medical company during business discussions, she lost control of her invention. This isn't an isolated incident. A shocking 82% of inventors risk their rights through premature disclosure. A provisional patent acts like a security camera for your invention, recording exactly what's yours and when you created it. In California's competitive innovation landscape, this protection isn't optional, it's essential. The provisional patent system offers 3 critical benefits. The cost advantage makes it significantly more affordable than a full patent. The time buffer gives you 12 months to develop your invention further. The legal protection allows you to safely discuss your invention with potential partners or investors. Consider the scale of opportunity. The University of California generates $7 billion in research value annually. Individual inventors can access this ecosystem, but only with proper protection in place. Let me guide you through the steps of filing a provisional patent. The process begins with invention documentation. You'll need to photograph or sketch your invention, create a detailed written description, and document how it works. Next comes the prior art search. This involves searching existing patents, reviewing similar products, and documenting key differences. Let me make this process more practical by sharing a real example. I recently wrote a provisional patent application for a smart exercise system. When inventors come to me, they often worry about using complex legal language. But let me show you how to describe your invention in clear, simple terms while maintaining its technical validity. The invention was an integrated fitness system. In the provisional application, instead of using complex terms, I described it as a 3-part system. First, a smart device like a fitness watch that tracks your outdoor workouts, recording details such as your running speed, route, and heart rate. Second, a cloud-based program that receives this workout data and creates personalized training plans based on your actual outdoor exercise patterns. Third, an indoor exercise machine that can recreate your outdoor workout experience. So if you ran through a hilly park, the machine adjusts to match those exact hills and speeds. This description accomplishes everything a provisional patent needs. It clearly explains what the invention is, how it works, and how someone could make and use it. Yet it uses simple language that anyone can understand. This is exactly what you want in your provisional patent application. The filing process includes selecting your entity size as micro, small, or large, preparing your required documents, and submitting through the USPTO website. After filing, your action plan should include market research to refine your invention, prototype development and testing, and feature enhancement for your non-provisional patent application. Here's what you need to do right now. Document your invention immediately to create thorough records. Review the USPTO filing requirements. Consider consulting a licensed patent attorney for guidance. Remember the Beverly Hills surgeon we discussed? Don't let her story become yours. Take action now to protect your innovation. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on funding strategies. In California's thriving innovation ecosystem, protecting your idea isn't just an option, it's essential for your venture's success.